the park girls go round the outside, round the outside, round the outside. Fuck you, David. Now this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. I said this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. Little hellions, kids feeling rebellious, embarrassed, their parents still listen to Elvis. They start feeling like prisoners helpless, till someone comes along on a mission and yells, a visionary, vision is scary, can start a revolution, polluting the airwaves, a rebel. So just let me revel and bask in the fact that I got everyone kissing my ass, and it's a disaster, such a catastrophe, but you can see so damn much of my ass you ask for me. Well, I'm back, fix your minutes and it's tuning in in front of your skin like a splinter, the center of attention, back for the winner, I'm interesting, the best things in wrestling, investing in your kids' ears and nesting, testing, attention please, feel attention, soon as someone mentions me, here's my 10 cents, my 2 cents is free, and nuisance, who sent, you sent for me? Now this looks like a job for me, so 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 this looks like a, this looks like a, this looks like a, this looks like a, so empty without me. This looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. I said this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. Let's just get a tasket, I will tick for tat with anybody who's talking this shit, that shit, Chris Kirkpatrick. You can get your ass kicked worse than them little Limp Bizkit bastards and Moby. You can get stomped by Obi, 36-year-old boy, they fag blown. You don't know me, too old, let go, it's over. Nobody listen to techno, now let's go. Just give me the signal, I'll be there with a whole list full of new insults I've been though. Suspenseful with a pencil ever since Prince turned himself into a symbol. But sometimes the shit just seems everybody only wants to discuss me. So this must mean I'm disgusting. But it's just me, I'm just obscene. Hell,